A portable ice maker is exactly what it says it is, a machine that makes ice in a compact and lightweight form. Most are functionally similar, but there are differences in quality, efficiency, and design to consider before you buy one. There are many products available to choose portable ice makers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable ice makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yuhumi Ice Maker Machine Countertop. The Yuhumi IMF may look ordinary, but it stands out due to its ability to produce an exceptional 40 pounds of ice per day. The machine is made of stainless steel, and includes an LCD screen along with all of the notable features that we've highlighted on the top pick. The added value is that you can use the timer to produce ice for only a specific amount of time, and it will notify you when it's done. The Yuhumi IMF works very efficiently, producing 24 small ice cubes in 12 minutes, and large ones in 18 minutes. Its removable ice bucket carries 2.2 pounds of ice at a time, ensuring there's always enough fresh ice on hand. The water reservoir has a wide opening, and is very easy to fill. Just remove its cover, and pour water directly into the water reservoir, while it's still attached to the machine. In addition, it has a large storage capacity, 2.2 L, which is enough to produce at least 5 cycles of ice without the need for refilling. Number 2. Igloo Automatic Portable Electric Countertop Ice Maker. With a total capacity of making 26 pounds of ice per day, the Igloo Automatic Portable Electric Countertop Ice Maker machine is one of the best home ice makers available in the market. This elegant and compact ice maker comes with a water tank capacity of 3 quarts, and an ice basket capacity of 2 pounds. One of the distinct features of the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker is that it can make 9 cylinder-shaped ice cubes in 7 minutes, which is incredible. Unlike the previously reviewed ice maker, it comes with a closed stainless steel body and a transparent lid. It means you can view the ice-making process from above. You can conveniently remove the ice basket to transfer the ice cubes to the bucket. Moreover, the drain plug allows you to remove the water from the machine when not in use. The intuitive control panel is easy to use with straightforward controls. Furthermore, the controls come with illuminating LEDs to confirm the preference. For instance, you can use the select button to choose the size of the ice cubes as small or large. Moreover, the LEDs automatically illuminate if the ice bucket is full or requires more water. Number 3. Luma Comfort Clear Ice Cube Maker. All of the products on our list so far make rounded bullet ice, which is the natural result of producing ice on round prongs. That ice tends to come out a bit cloudy and melt faster than what you would get in a restaurant. However, it is possible to make restaurant-caliber clear ice cubes which look great and melt 5 times slower than others. If that's something you would want, the Luma IM200SS is your machine. The Luma IM200SS is an impressive device with all of the conveniences: powerful compressor, simple ice dispenser, side-mounted drain, and more. It's a great choice if you run a small restaurant, cocktail bar, or cafe. Most ice made by conventional ice makers, with a portable or built-in, looks different from what you would get at a nice restaurant or bar. Its cloudy appearance is caused by impurities, air bubbles, and minerals. The Luma eliminates these by running the water over a filter, leaving only pure clean water. It then builds up the ice in layers, and uses a nickel-plated grate to form these into a cube shape. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.